So Miu is going to make waffle. Oh, you have to beat the egg first. Oh, you have to beat only white, not yellow. Oh. Okay, you cut that. Just one ladder. Okay. How long you have to do this?
2-3 minutes.
That's the chocolate sauce. Isn't it too much of chocolate sauce?
Yes. Too much of chocolate sauce.
Hey, come on, hold it. Enough. Seriously?
Yeah, serious.
You go mad behind chocolate sauce.
Yes, I do.
That's a baking
This is a
powder.
brand new pack.
Make a small hole. Okay, just one pinch.
For me, I have to use a bigger pinch because
Okay.
adults' hands are bigger.
Okay.
And again, biscuit.
So it has one egg, one ladle of milk,
One ladle of
wheat flour, and
little less chocolate sauce.
lots of chocolate sauce.
And
One pinch of
baking
baking powder.
powder.
Look, now you're putting vanilla extract. Okay, you need some help in. Okay.
Then you put some vanilla extract
Okay,
or essence.
vanilla.
I feel confused why I'm putting vanilla extract. But I feel a little confused because this is a chocolate pancake and you're putting vanilla extract.
Okay, that's Amma's recipe to mask the flavor or smell of egg.
It's just to make the smell of the egg disappear. So you smell bad.
Yep. Now it's going to be in the preheated waffle maker. I don't know how to say it.
You don't know English properly.
Yep. 1 minute.
But it doesn't come outside.
Okay. How long they're going to cook it?
Maybe 5 to 6 minutes.
Oh. So waffle is ready. It took around 5-6 minutes. Okay, give me a pose, final pose. Okay, and you're going to have it with the coconut powder?
Choco hazel.
Choco hazelnut.
Right.